Have you tried Bizz and Weezy in Kansas City's Crossroads on Baltimore? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and this is a business that's had a very fun start as well as continues to evolve, so I just had to share it with you. This business began in 2008 as friends and family began requesting them to make truffles and candies, and so they expanded with a commercial kitchen in their basement in 2010. Now, continued requests brought growth and launched the Today location in 2015, which has now expanded to a cafe and coffee shop in addition to their candies and truffles. I mean, really, what a great combination. Through COVID, they started what's called brunch boxes, which have continued to keep their creations right in your kitchen. And these have become a favorite for holiday mornings or anytime you have guests for a special morning start. Now, a full-time baker adds pastries and desserts to their menu for 2022, so you're definitely going to want to check those out as well. If you're like me, their name was curious, and so I had to look up a little bit of the history. Here's some trivia for you. They could not think of what to call their shop until a gamer connection of theirs suggested their online gaming names, and that's when two gamers who love chocolate started Bizz and Weezy. Sign up below for our free monthly newsletter so you don't miss more of our Kansas City favorite businesses, neighborhoods, and places to explore.